Hey guys, this is Marie, aka Ella James from I Love Tuesdays TV. On today's episode, I'm going to talk about how I make healthy chicken noodle soup at home. So I'm going to show you all the healthy ingredients that I use to make my soup the bomb. So today I'm going to use kale. Normally I use either curly kale or flat kale. I chose and I prefer to use the flat kale because it's easy to cut and cook. And with the spinach, I have my organic spinach. Pretty much everything I'm making is going to have organic in it, so because that's the route I'm going in my life. I have my bone broth, and when you're using your bone broth, make sure you're looking at the nutrition facts. You'll see the sodium level is 90 milligrams. Make sure you get anything that's 150 and below in your sodium intake, and make sure you look at the sugar content as well. Also, I'm going to use some brown rice noodles. This is the best to me because I love it and I don't have to worry about all the artificial flavorings. Also, I'm going to use the avocado. If you notice, everything is a powerhouse here. I have everything green, green, green. You know why? Because I love it and it's going to be awesome. Also, I'm going to chop up my chicken. I'm going to add some lemon, some little citrus onto my chicken, which is going to taste really tenderized and nice. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, next it will be my avocado. I'm about to dice this up. Be careful with this knife now. You know, you want to make sure you slice it, but make sure your hands are not in the way you want to be fingerless. Next, I'm going to rinse off my spinach and just throw it in a bowl. Chop it up a little bit, a little fine, that's it. Not too much. Alright, I'm going to start with my kale. I'm going to go ahead and cut it up. Alright guys, next I am going to put my chicken in this pan here so it can saute. So mind you, this chicken is already marinated and ready to go. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to also add a little bit of lemon zest just to add to the top of my chicken. Therefore, it can marinate a little bit more deeper. So just wanted to be nice and tender when I'm done. So I'm going to cut a little bit off the lemon here. Then I'm going to squeeze it at the top. Squeeze a little bit of lemon on there. And the only reason why I squeeze the lemon is just to get it a little bit more tender. Otherwise, if you buy some meat that's already marinated, you don't have to worry about the lemon. Now next, since my water is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and add my noodle rice. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the whole package. You don't have to, it might make quite a bit. But I'm just gonna add the whole thing in there. And this will cook fairly quick, so you have to watch out for it as it cooks. Next, after my rice had boiled a little bit, I'm just gonna add my broth in this pot now. And you could put like a half of the broth in here into the pot, because this is gonna be your soup. And then next, you wanna go ahead and just throw the rice. And now I'm gonna sit it on the stove and have it just go ahead and heat up a little bit. And also, if you want to add a little bit of flavor, I would recommend adding a little bit of cayenne pepper. I am good on spicy, so I'm definitely gonna hit it up with some spice. I'm gonna think about my guy though. I don't want him to burn his tonsils out, so so I'm just gonna add a little bit just because I like a little fire, and I'll add a little pepper just to set it off. Just to give it a little seasoning, a little taste with my chicken noodle. Alright guys, welcome back. I have finished up my soup, and if you can join me over here, I'm going to show you this pot. This is my home style chicken noodle soup with my kale, spinach, and my avocado over here on the side. It up with some pepper and some cayenne pepper and everything like that. I'm going to go ahead and just pour some soup into the bowl. Look at that, nice. So of course you want to put some broth in there. Put off with some avocado. You can add this into it as it's in the pot when it's boiling, but I chose to just do it after it's out because I don't want it to get all slimy and stuff on me. So there we have it. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you all enjoyed my video and the concept. Also, the recipe for how I make healthy chicken noodle soup will be updated at the end of this video. So check it out. If you loved my video, please leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next week. Bye. Woo! Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next week. Bye. Woo! Ooh, I think my stomach was showing. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next week. Bye.